Alright people, this is a little impromptu video on locksmithing. Here we go. Need to rekey this lock here. Standard lock. We gotta push this little pin down, release this, get the cylinder apart. So, like this. There you go, that comes off like that. What comes out, you got a little pin, a little spring in here. Little spring, little pin. I know, it's kind of hard to pick it up. So then, you stick the old key in the lock, you turn it. You don't want to pull it out. All kinds of stuff explodes. Take this little follower tool, push it through, and it like comes apart just like that. It holds the springs in the top because all you're changing is these bottom pins. Pull the old key out, dump the old pins out, put the new key in. That's what all these fancy color pins up here are. So let's go ahead and load up the cylinder with the new code. Once the cylinder is loaded with the new pins, go ahead and slide it back together, and it is rekeyed. The old key does not turn. Go ahead and put the spring and pin back in so you can put the tail piece back on. It screws on. Get it to the right tightness. You have it too tight, the key is hard to turn. You have it too loose, the key won't come out easy out of the keyway. All kinds of stuff that can happen. And that is it, folks. Your basic rekey cylinder.